Boom! The ESR car mount for touchscreen. This is perfect for anybody that has a car that has a touchscreen in their car, like a Tesla Model 3 or Tesla Model Y, and even the newer Tesla Model X and the Model S too. So basically, if you have your screen and you want to attach your phone to your screen, this will do it. But keep in mind, this one does not provide charging. It's just MagSafe with Halo Lock, but it's pretty strong and it's pretty simple to install. We got some adhesive and some wipes. Number 2 is this. You're gonna attach number 2 to the back of your screen, okay? And then number 3 is you're gonna slide it in, and then number 4, this one's your alignment. You're gonna adjust your alignment right here. So do not remove this alignment guide until the arm has been installed on the back of the screen. I'm not gonna take this apart. We're gonna do this installation later. They do come with all this stuff right here for installation. This is your touchscreen mount right here with a guide to help you install it from ESR. Oh yeah!